Hello guys, today we'll be discussing about business logging API. So this is an API which can give you the information about your business logging informations, and you can get an interface to manage the logging informations regarding your business. Come, let us find out how to make it operate. So go into your Google Cloud platform, select a project, create a new project. You can name your project as you'd like, click on create. Your project is created. Then head back over to the enabled APIs and services, click on credentials, click on create credentials, click on service account, and then you just need to verify your ownership. So just simply follow the steps and just click on create. You would get a dedicated email ID which you can use at later course of your journey by integrating that on your search console or on your analytics. Then head back over to the keys. This is the very much important portion where you need to generate your own private API key. Just head over to the key section, click on add a key, create new key, click on JSON, which is my recommendation because this will be preventing any of the lossless migration in future course of your time. And as you can see from the screen, this is a live private API key which you can pair with any of the public key available. Now then head back over to the APIs and services, click on library, search for business logging API. As you can see, this is the API which you want to use. Just enable that. So now some of the resources which you can use. So basically there are three of the parameters which you can use: get logging, update logging, and get Google updated. So with the help of get logging, you can return the logging of a specified location. With the help of an update logging, you can update the logging of a specified location. And lastly, with the help of get Google updated, you can return the Google updated logging of a specified location. So this is the main systematic syntax of how you can use logging API for your business. Thanks for watching.